I haven't known you long, but already you're the strongest person I know. You're out your mind and you're insane. I'll never claim to know what's in your brain. You've been through so much, so I'm sure you'll make it through this too. But damn it, please take everything. Be so good so soon. Don't hang in there, it won't be okay. What I'm trying to say is that I'll hope and pray for you someday soon. You will make it through. I believe in you, so just hang in there. I haven't known you long, but already you're the strongest person I know. You're out your mind and you're insane. I'll never claim to know what's in your brain. You've been through so much, so I'm sure you'll make it through this too. God damn it, please take everything. Won't be so good so soon. So hang in there, it won't be okay. What I'm trying to say is that I'll hold break you someday soon. You will make it through. I believe in you, so just hang in there.
피클입니다.
느리게 생겼어? 완전
조금 느렸으면 좋겠는데.
So hang in there, it won't be okay. What I'm trying to say is that I'll hold.
만화책 하나 살고 있어.
만화책?